Billions of dollars are lost every single year, not because rust is unbeatable, not because nobody figured out how to stop it, but because the people making those billions do not want it stopped. In 1948, a formula was discovered that costs $3 to make, permanently kills rust chemically and forever, and within a few years of its discovery, it simply vanished. No announcement. No press release. No explanation. Just gone, like it never existed. Today, I am giving you that formula. Exactly what it is, exactly how to make it, exactly how to use it, and exactly why you were never supposed to find out about it. Stay with me, because this goes deeper than rust. Most people think rust is a surface problem, a cosmetic issue, something you sand off and repaint over. That is exactly what they want you to think. Real rust is not on the surface. Real rust is underneath it, inside it, spreading through the metal structure of your car every single day, completely invisible, until the damage is already catastrophic and the bill is already enormous. Rust is iron oxide. It forms the moment iron meets oxygen and moisture at the same time, and once it starts it, does not stop on its own. Ever. It moves inward, weakens the metal from the inside out, and a car frame with serious rust is not just ugly, it is structurally dangerous. By the time your mechanic puts your car on the lift and shows it to you, you are already looking at hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars in damage. And here is the part that should make you genuinely angry. That mechanic knew this was coming long before you did. The dealership knew. The auto parts store knew. Because rust developing slowly and invisibly and expensively is not a flaw in the system. It is the system. In 1948, a chemist working in a United States military research lab was assigned one specific problem. Warships were being destroyed by rust. Salt water, humidity, and constant exposure to the elements were costing the military enormous amounts of money in repairs and replacements, and they needed something permanent and cheap. What this chemist found changed everything, or at least it should have. He discovered that phosphoric acid, when it comes into direct contact with rusted iron, does not just clean the surface. It triggers a chemical reaction that converts iron oxide into iron phosphate, two completely different compounds. Iron oxide is rust, weak, spreading, and destructive. Iron phosphate is stable, hard, and permanently bonded to the metal surface. The rust is not removed. It is chemically transformed into something that cannot spread, cannot return, and actually strengthens the surface it is bonded to. The formula worked, it was tested, it was proven, and the cost to produce it was almost nothing. $3 per liter. And then the war ended, the military moved on, and the formula was quietly filed away into classified research archives at the exact moment the American automobile industry was entering its most explosive era of growth. General Motors, Ford, Chrysler, these were not just companies. They were empires controlling entire economies, and their business model ran on one quiet, unspoken principle that nobody in those boardrooms ever said out loud, but everybody understood perfectly. Planned obsolescence. The deliberate design of products to degrade, to fail, to need replacement, not because better was impossible, but because better was unprofitable. Rust was not a problem they wanted to solve. Rust was a revenue stream, slow, invisible, expensive, and perfectly timed to hit you right when your warranty expired. The $3 formula that permanently ended rust would have been a catastrophe for an industry built entirely on rust never ending, so the formula stayed buried, the research stayed classified, and 50 years later you are still standing in an auto parts store buying a $30 spray can, filled with a watered-down version of the exact same chemistry that should have been handed to every car owner for free in 1950. That is the conspiracy. Not complicated, not science fiction, just money, and the deliberate decision that your ignorance was worth more to them than your savings ever would be. The exact formula, step by step. Here is exactly what you need. Phosphoric acid, which you can find at any hardware store, sometimes labeled as metal prep solution, or rust remover, distilled water, and if you want maximum long-term protection, zinc sulfate, which you can find at garden supply stores or online for almost nothing. The ratio is straightforward. Mix 1 part phosphoric acid with 3 parts distilled water, and if you are adding zinc sulfate, dissolve roughly 5 grams per liter of your mixture into the solution before applying. Now, here is how you actually use it. Clean the rusted surface first, and remove any loose debris, dirt, or flaking metal with a wire brush. You do not need to remove the rust itself, because that is the entire point of this formula. Apply your mixture directly onto the rusted area using a brush or spray bottle. Make sure the surface is fully coated, and then let it sit for 30 minutes. As it works, you will see the color change. The the rust shifting from reddish-brown to a darker grayish-black, and that color change is the iron phosphate forming, the conversion happening in real time right in front of you. After 30 minutes, wipe off the excess. What remains on that metal surface is iron phosphate, permanently bonded, chemically stable, and completely sealed against future oxidation. You can prime and paint over it immediately, or simply leave it treated and protected. Total cost for enough solution to treat an entire car undercarriage? Under $3. Before you go and do this, there are a few things most people get wrong the first time, small mistakes that turn a 10-year treatment into a 1-year treatment, and they are all completely avoidable. Never apply this formula on a hot surface. If your car has been sitting in direct sun, or you just drove it, wait, because heat causes the mixture to evaporate before the chemical conversion can complete properly. Always apply in shade or early morning when the metal is cool, and the reaction has the time it needs to fully work. Always brush the surface before you apply the mixture, not after, because loose rust, dirt, grease, and oil all sit on top of the actual iron oxide and physically block the acid from reaching it. 2 minutes of brushing before application makes the difference between a treatment that lasts 2 years and one that holds for 10. Do not wipe the mixture off too early either. 30 minutes is the absolute minimum, and if you are dealing with heavy or deeply pitted rust, give it up to 45 minutes, because the color shift from reddish-brown to dark grayish-black is your confirmation that the conversion is working, and if you still see patches of red, the reaction is. Not finished yet, so wait. After the surface dries completely, always use oil-based primer before painting rather than water-based, because water-based primer introduced onto freshly converted iron phosphate can push moisture into the surface before it has fully cured, while oil-based primer seals it correctly and gives your paint something that will genuinely hold for years. And finally, whatever mixture you have left after treating your car, use it on everything else. Your tools, garden equipment, bike frame, outdoor furniture, anything metal in your garage with surface rust on it. A little of this mixture goes a long way on smaller items, and nothing needs to go to waste. This formula is not limited to cars, and that is what makes it genuinely remarkable. It works on any iron or steel surface that rust has reached, your car frame and underbody, the tools sitting in your garage, garden gates, trailer hitches, exhaust components, bike frames, metal pipes, and outdoor furniture. If it is iron or steel and rust has touched it, this formula permanently converts it. One thorough treatment done correctly holds for years, and if you make it a regular part of your maintenance routine, just once a year on any exposed metal surfaces, rust essentially stops being a meaningful long-term threat to anything metal you own. Rust repair on a car frame costs anywhere from $500 to several $1,000s depending on how far it has already spread. Dealership undercoating services run $200 to $500 and need reapplying every few years on top of that. Replacement body panels, professional rust removal, full undercarriage restoration, these are bills that real car owners pay every single year without questioning them, because nobody ever told them there was another way. All of it is preventable with a $3 mixture applied once a year in your own driveway on a Saturday morning. Over the full lifespan of a car that is potentially thousands of dollars staying in your pocket, resale value that remains intact, a vehicle that outlasts what the industry designed it to be, and a mechanic conversation about catastrophic frame rust that simply never happens. They built a $50 billion industry on the assumption that you would never connect these dots. That assumption just ended